This chapter discussed the project management from the most relevant ISO standards. While there isn't a single specific ISO standard solely focused on project management, several ISO standards offer valuable guidance and principles that can be applied to improve project management practices. Here's a summary of the key points. This standard, ISO 21500, Guidance on Project Management, offers a set of guidelines and best practices for project management that can be adapted by organizations of all sizes and sectors. It covers the entire project lifecycle from initiation, although not explicitly mentioned, to closing. Offers guidance on 39 key processes encompassing different project management aspects. These processes are grouped into 5 main stages. Project initiation, identifying and selecting projects based on strategic needs. Note, not explicitly mentioned in the standard. Project planning, defining project scope, objectives, and activities.